Welcome to the forefront of modern data science. For decades, the mantra has been correlation is not causation. However, traditional Bayesian statistics, while powerful, often lacks the vocabulary to describe why things happen. Today, we explore the Causal Revolution, led by Judea Pearl, and how Causal Bayesian networks are transforming how we interpret data, moving from simple curve fitting to true artificial intelligence. Traditional Bayesian inference relies on Bayes' theorem, the probability of an event based on prior knowledge of conditions. In data science, we use this to update our beliefs as new data arrives. It works perfectly for prediction. If we see smoke, we predict fire. But Judea Pearl, a Turing Award winner, argues that seeing is fundamentally different from doing. If we create smoke with a machine, fire won't appear. Standard probability lacks a mathematical operator to distinguish between observation and intervention. To bridge this gap, Judea Pearl introduced the Ladder of Causation. The first rung is association, seeing patterns. What if I see X? The second rung is intervention, doing. What if I do X? The third and highest rung is counterfactuals, imagining. What if I had acted differently? Most current machine learning stays on the first rung, analyzing correlations in big data. To reach human-level reasoning, we must climb to the rungs of intervention and counterfactuals. At the heart of causal inference are directed acyclic graphs, or DAGs. These are visual and mathematical representations where nodes represent variables and arrows represent direct causal influences. Unlike standard Bayesian networks that only show dependency, causal Bayesian networks explicitly state that the direction of the arrow implies cause and effect. This prevents us from making the mistake of thinking that carrying umbrellas causes rain, even though they are highly correlated. The flow of information in these graphs depends on three fundamental structures: the chain, the fork, and the collider. In a chain, A causes B, which causes C. In a fork, a common cause B influences both A and C, creating a correlation between them. But the collider is the most counterintuitive. A and C both cause B. In a collider, A and C are independent, but if we condition on B, we suddenly create a fake correlation between A and C. This is known as Berkson's paradox. To solve the problem of confounding variables, those hidden factors that influence both the cause and the effect, Pearl developed the do calculus. This is a mathematical framework that uses the do operator. While P of y given x is the probability of y given that we observe x, P of y given do x is the probability of y if we force x to happen. The do calculus allows us to transform a causal query into a statistical one, effectively deleting the arrows that lead into our variable of interest to see its pure effect. Consider a practical example in healthcare, Simpson's paradox. A drug might look effective for the whole population, but when you split the data by gender, it's ineffective for both men and women. This happens because gender is a confounder. By using a causal Bayesian network, we can identify that we need to adjust for gender to find the true causal effect of the drug, rather than just following the raw correlation, which leads to a deadly mistake. Today, causal Bayesian networks are essential in tech giants like Netflix and Google for A/B testing, in economics for policy evaluation, and in medicine for drug discovery. As we move towards AGI, artificial general intelligence, the ability to reason about why and what if will be the deciding factor. Judea Pearl's work ensures that our machines won't just be high-speed calculators, but entities capable of understanding the causal fabric of our reality. In conclusion, moving from Bayes to causal Bayes is the step from being a passive observer to an active agent in the world. By combining the probabilistic rigor of Thomas Bayes with the causal logic of Judea Pearl, we unlock the true power of data science. References: Pearl, J., The Book of Why; Pearl, J., Causality, Models, Reasoning, and Inference; Peters, J., Elements of Causal Inference.